Do you need to generate reviews for your business, but you're not sure how to get started? I'm going to show you how. Something that you can integrate right now into your sales process and set this thing on autopilot. So if you need to generate reviews, go to your Google business profile. I'm already at ours, and you're going to click a button that says Ask for Reviews. When you click Ask for Reviews, you're going to get a short code. This short code, you can copy it, and now you can send this short code to your customers. The short code jumps people all the way to your business, and all they have to do is select the stars that they're going to rate you and the description of the review, so that way they're telling people what they think about the business and the service that you delivered. Now, one of the challenges in the past was how do I go and leave a review? Where do I go? What do I click, right? This cuts all that out. So it makes it very simple for your client to be able to go and review you, and it makes it simple for you to send it to them. So I always tell people, write up a little message that you put in a text message that says, hey, I'm a local business. I'd really appreciate your review. And that word of mouth really helps me. But when you're out at a client site, say you just put a roof on their house, make that appeal. Just say, hey, were you happy with your roof? And they're going to say 9 times out of 10, yeah, I absolutely am. Hey, would you mind leaving me a review? That review would really help my business. We're local. We work in the community. It would really be, meaningful to me. 9 times out of 10, they're going to say, absolutely, I would be willing to do that. Use this link, send them the link, and say, thanks so much. I really appreciate, that you're going to leave a review. They'll click on the link. It will take them right to where they need to go, and they'll be set up for success to leave the review. That's all I have for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you're doing this already and it's working, tell me about it. Also, if you want more content like this, you can follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, and subscribe to us on YouTube, so that way you're getting alerted when we post new content. That's all I have for today. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks. Bye.